Thank you for taking the time out to watch our short videos here at National Gear Repair. National Gear Repair is a comprehensive remanufacturing center specializing in rotating equipment repair. As you'll see in this short video tutorial, that National Gear Repair manufactures all its own gears in-house, such as spiral bevel, helical, herringbone, worm, and spur, and so forth. At National Gear Repair, all our technicians here are Timken Bearing certified, Falk certified, and Dodge School certified. By doing this allows us to warranty all of our work for 24 months from the date of startup. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And last but not least, National Gear Repair specializes in 24-hour emergency rush repair. And we have locations nationwide. Thank you.